Restoring an iPad without iTunes can be challenging since many tools are unreliable or risk data loss. In this video, we'll show you a safe and effective way to restore your iPad without iTunes. Let's get started. Part 1. When should I restore my iPad? Accidentally deleted data. iPad is slow, unresponsive, or freezes. Possible virus infection. Apps won't load. Preparing to sell or donate. Part 2. Factory reset without iTunes from iPad settings. Open Settings and go to General. Scroll down and tap Reset. Choose either Reset All Settings or Erase All Content and Settings. Part 2. How to restore iPad without iTunes using iOS data recovery. Restoring iPad with iTunes may bring you much trouble than you'd expect. Here, it is recommended to pick a professional third-party software, Mobican Doctor for iOS to help do that. Step 1. Connect iPad and scan. Connect your iPad via USB. Launch the program and select Recover from iOS device. Click Start Scan to find recoverable files. Step 2. Preview data. Choose file types and scan. The program will display the scanned content. Step 3. Store files. Preview and select files, then click Recover to Computer to save them in original quality. Part 4. How to restore iPad without iTunes using iCloud. Reset your iPad before restoration. To do this, head to Settings, General, Reset. Erase all contents and settings. Then tap Erase iPad option on the pop-up window to confirm your action. At the side of a new window of Set up your iPad, just select the Restore from iCloud Backup option. Finally, log into the iCloud with your Apple ID and password. Then choose one iCloud backup from the list to start restoring iPad from iCloud Backup. Part 5. Factory reset iPad without iTunes using Find My app. Sign into iCloud, open Find My, select your iPad, and click Erase iPad. After reset, turn it on and restore from backup or set up as new.